Introducing the Illuminage Touch, the only at-home permanent hair reduction technology FDA cleared for all skin tones, for the face and body. Before getting started, please refer to the user manual for all safety information, including directions on how to perform a skin sensitivity test and the recommended treatment times for the different treatment areas. It's important to prepare your skin before treatment by removing the hair, cleaning and drying the desired treatment area. To start treatment, turn on the device and wait a few seconds for the light to illuminate. Then, select the desired Elos energy level, low, medium, or high. Remove the applicator from the base. Press the flashing Elos activation button. Wait for the blue indicator light to stop flashing and the cooling fan to turn on. Place the applicator on your skin so that the two silver RF bars are in full contact with your skin. Upon full contact, you will see flashes of light indicating that treatment has begun. Move the applicator slowly in a continuous gliding motion so that the lights flash over the entire treatment area. You will feel a slight warming sensation as the applicator moves over the skin. If you are comfortable, you can raise the energy level to medium or high by pressing the Elos button until the desired setting is illuminated. The Illuminage Touch is uniquely designed for facial hair removal below the cheek line. Before starting treatment to the face, refer to the user manual for preparation guidelines and recommended treatment times. To get started, select the low energy level. Press the Elos activation button and gently hold the applicator against the area of the face you wish to treat, stamping the skin with each flash of light. Reposition the applicator and follow the contour of your face while continuing to stamp the skin. Repeat until you have covered the desired treatment area 2 to 3 times. When you've finished your treatment, turn the power off. Be sure to carefully clean the cartridge light window between treatments with a non-alcoholic-based wipe or soft tissue. Place the applicator into its cradle and store the device in a safe place. For hair-free, beautiful skin, use the Illuminage Touch once a week for 7 treatments over a 6-week period. Touch up as needed following the initial treatment protocol. Introducing the Illuminage Touch, the only at-home permanent hair reduction technology FDA cleared for all skin tones, for the face and body.